Good news for you, ESign is working again, and you can install IPA files on iPhone without PC. In this video, I will show you the newest method to install ESign and IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer. So let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad, then go to AltStore website. Once the website is open, scroll down and look for the ESign section. Before installing ESign, I highly recommend installing the DNS first. This can make the installation process more stable. Now tap on the DNS option, then tap Allow. Now go to your iPhone settings. At the top, you will see Profile Downloaded. Tap it, then tap Install. After installing the DNS, go back to Safari and open AltStore again. Now, go to the ESign section on AltStore. Here, you will see several ESign install links. Tap the first ESign install button. If you see a pop-up asking to install ESign, tap Install. Now go back to your home screen and wait for the app to finish installing. If you open it and see Untrusted Enterprise Developer, that means the app is installed successfully, but we still need to trust the certificate. Now, open Settings, go to General, then scroll down and open VPN and Device Management. Here, you will see the Enterprise Certificate used by ESign. Tap the certificate name, then tap Trust. Now go back to your home screen and open ESign. ESign will open normally. Now, we need a certificate to sign IPA files inside ESign. Go back to Safari and open AltStore website again. Go to the certificate section and get the certificate from the first list. Download the zip file. After downloading the certificate, go to ESign and hit 3 dots on the right corner. Open the Files app, find the downloaded certificate file, and unzip the certificate. Then open the folder. Now you should see the P12. Tap it and insert the password that is altlejr.net. After entering the password, tap Confirm. If everything is correct, the certificate will be imported successfully. Now ESign is ready to sign IPA files. Next, tap the 3 dots menu and tap Import from File. Then select the IPA what you want. The IPA file will be imported into ESign. Then, go to the Apps section, tap the IPA file you just imported, then choose Signature. Now tap Signature or Start Signing. Wait until the signing process is complete. Now go back to your home screen and wait for the app to finish installing. Once the app is installed, you can open it like a normal app, and that's how you install ESign and IPA files on iPhone or iPad without using a PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.